guys, today I'll be going through this LeetCode question 135 candy. If you haven't subscribed to my LeetCode channel, please subscribe. Thanks. So we are given an array of any size. The array is the child's rating. And we are given two conditions. Each child must have at least one candy, and the child with the higher rating must have more candies than the neighbor. So for example here, the child here needs to have more candy than this child and this child. And we want to find out the minimum candies to give out. There's going to be three conditions here. The current child is bigger than the previous child. If the current child is bigger than the previous child, it means that we are going in the upward direction. If the current child is the same as the previous child, and we are going to reset everything to 1. Final condition, if the current child is smaller than the previous child, it means that we are going on a downward slope. Okay, so first we want to find the size of the rating. Int size equals to rating, and we want to check for the edge cases. If the size equals to 0, we just want to return 0. Okay, so we need 4 variables: int up, down. I'm going to change everything to 1. The reason why everything here is 1 is because that the minimum number of candy each child have is going to be 1. We're going to look through the candies. Int I equals to 1. We start from 1 is because that we're going to check the previous element, and if we start from 0, there's not going to be a previous element to check. We check the first condition, nums I. If the current element is bigger than the previous element, it means we are going up. So if we are going up, we want to increment the up plus plus. We want to reset down to 1. Else, if we meet the second condition, which the current element is the same as the previous element, we want to reset everything to 1. And the last condition, if it's going in a downwards direction. For the downwards direction, it's kind of different. I will show it to you guys. We don't have to increment the peak because we are going to a downwards direction. Okay, so I was using the wrong array. Let me just change it. What? Minus equals to 1. Okay, peak equals to plus plus up. That was one of the mistake. Okay, so I think you guys will be confused about this part, and it's really confusing to understand. Thanks everyone for watching. See you guys next time.